Welcome to this comprehensive video demonstration on designing dental crowns using Exocad software. So in this video tutorial I will guide you through step-by-step process of designing X6 unit lower anterior bridge. So first I will import the jaw scan, lower jaw scan. Then the antagonist. So this is the case. So first we will start with drawing the margins. So I am drawing the margin of 3, 3. You can see the limited space in distal side of 3, 3. After fine tuning the margins, I will give next so that I can start with 4, 3. Once I confirm the margin, I will give next. Now in the cement space settings, we can set the cement space here. Okay, then give next. Okay, in this stage we will call the libraries. Now we need to reposition it. You can use Ctrl and Shift to navigate through the repositioning menu. Now since I feel okay with the tooth placement, I will forward to the next step. In this step, I will adapt the pontic area. This will cut off the excess pontic. And I will adjust the occlusion. After that, Here I will give the reduction to add the layering material. In the next step, I will just smooth down the sharp edges. So in this stage, I will do some fine tuning again. And we will go to the next step, that is connectors. So here you can adjust the height and width of the connectors. Since it's a zirconia bridge, we need strong connectors to be added. Actually, that will determine the strength of the bridge. So it's crucial part in designing the bridges. So here we can define the connector thickness according to the span of the bridge. Here we can change the connector shape also. So as you can see now, I am okay with the connector design. I will forward to the next step. Here we will merge the design and again I will smooth little bit. So I will be showing the final design. Now you can see the final design. So since it is a compromise case, we can't give more aesthetics right now. So after adding the ceramic and after finishing, it will look good. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts regarding Exocad, kindly contact me.